If you want ChatGPT to respond more like you, follow your preferences, and give you more useful answers every time, custom instructions are one of the easiest features to set up. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use custom instructions in ChatGPT, step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along in just a minute. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Now, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Settings area. Depending on the version you're using, you may need to tap your profile icon or the menu button first. From there, select Settings. Then, look for the Personalization section. This is where ChatGPT keeps the options that let you customize how it works for you. Inside Personalization, you'll see Custom Instructions. Tap or click that option to open it. This is the part that lets you tell ChatGPT what kind of responses you want, what tone you prefer, and any background details that help it answer better. For example, you can let it know if you want short answers, detailed explanations, a friendly tone, or step-by-step instructions. Once the Custom Instructions box opens, you'll usually see a couple of fields where you can type your preferences. Take your time here and be specific. You can write things like your name, your role, your goals, the kind of topics you work on, or the style you want ChatGPT to use. The more clear you are, the better the responses can be tailored to you. For example, if you're using ChatGPT for work, you might tell it to keep answers professional and concise. If you're using it for learning, you might ask for simple explanations and examples. If you're using it for content creation, you might want creative, engaging, and easy-to-read responses. This small step can make a big difference in the quality of the output you get. After typing your preferences, review everything carefully. Make sure it matches what you actually want ChatGPT to do. If something changes later, you can always come back and update it again. That means custom instructions are not permanent, so you can refine them whenever your needs change. When you're ready, tap Save. This is the final step that applies your custom instructions to your account. Once saved, ChatGPT will use those instructions when generating future responses, which helps make your experience more personalized and efficient. If you ever want to change or remove the instructions, just go back into Settings, open Personalization, and edit the same section again. You can update one line, rewrite the whole thing, or turn it off completely if you no longer want to use it. So that's how to use custom instructions in ChatGPT. It's quick, easy, and a great way to get answers that fit your style and needs better. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.